Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to try out something different. So we will ask ChatGPT in today's video to improve and enhance on the marketing and sales for the uh, Tide detergent. So we are going to share this web page with ChatGPT and ask it to suggest additional emotional and memory triggers and align it with the target audience pain points. So this is to improve the marketing and sales messaging of Tide detergent in India and make it more compelling for the customers to buy it. So what I have done is I had saved the HTML page that is shown here. This is the HTML page of Tide detergent in India, and then I have shared it with ChatGPT and I have posed the following prompt. Analyze this product description given in the file. Suggest ways to make it more compelling. You can add emotional and memory triggers and align it with the target audience pain points and also highlight the key strengths and improvements for the market impact. So we are trying to use ChatGPT to make the social messaging or the consumer messaging of Tide detergent more compelling, and it should align more perfectly with the target audience pain points. Now, what is a target audience? So, what happens is the companies identify certain pain points of consumers. So, the likely consumers will have certain pain points. So, based on those pain points, they design a product which will eliminate the pain points for the likely consumers, and then they will sell that product to the likely or the target audience and tell them that this product, using of this product, will help you to remove or ease the pain point that at present you have got. So this is how the products and services are designed around the customer pain points or the consumer pain points. And time to time, the companies try to highlight the key strengths and improvements to improve the market impact and the consumer reach. So you have to increase the number of consumers by highlighting or by improving the key strengths and the what we can say emotional and memory triggers. So you have to add more and more emotional and memory triggers in your advertisement, in your social presence or the social media presence, which identifies with the consumer pain point. So the consumer, when seeing the media page, social media page, for example, for this Tide detergent, then it should strike with the emotional and the memory triggers. So for example, if the likely consumer is using some other detergent and the stains are not going on, that will be a memory trigger, a emotional trigger for the consumer. For example, his new t-shirt got dirty and the present detergent is not able to remove the dirt. So this will be a emotional as a and a it will be emotional and a memory trigger for that consumer. So when this consumer comes across the Tide detergent website, then he will remember this emotional and memory trigger and purchase Tide to remove that dirt stain on his new t-shirt or new clothes that he has bought and it is already dirty. So he will use it, and once the Tide is able to successfully clean that dirt spot or stain, then this consumer will become a loyal consumer of Tide and he will buy Tide every time he replenishes his stock at home, and this way a consumer will be added to the family of Tide detergent users. So this is how the marketing and sales strategies work and how they address the emotional and memory triggers for a target audience and their pain points. And time to time, they keep on improving the messaging to the consumer. They try to touch the emotional and memory triggers and make the consumer buy their products. So now come back to the ChatGPT. So now ChatGPT has read this HTML page and our prompt. and it replies back based on the content from the Tide India product page. Here is an analysis of how the product description could be improved to make it more compelling and emotionally engaging, especially for the Indian market. So ChatGPT has perfectly read the HTML file, and it knows that this HTML file contains Tide detergent marketing and sales info, and it is specifically targeted for the Indian audience or the Indian market. So you can see it is directly showing us this is especially for the Indian market. So current stains are identified by ChatGPT. Functional messaging removes top stains without the fading colors. Here you can see it, stainless steel white zinc. So this is, it does not fade the white color. Diverse product range, so includes powders, pods, bars, and liquids. So you can see here, then the different form factors are available: washing powders, bars, pods, and also there are separate detergent packaging for the top loading and the front loading machines also. So it has perfectly, ChatGPT has perfectly found this out. It has noted it. Budget messaging, emphasis affordability, now in your budget. So somewhere in this HTML page it is written now in your budget. That has also been properly taken note and shown here in the recommendation. And then the budget messaging, okay, now that is done. Visual trust, so using strong visuals and world's #1 detergent brand, so that is also given somewhere here on this page. Now recommendations for the emotional and strategic enhancement. So trigger emotional resonance, add emotional triggers that connect with the Indian consumers daily life. Before it is written here, you can see here, tough stains, removes tough stains without fading colors. And now after the you apply the recommendation, the message will be, let your children play safely because Tide takes care of stains and your memories. Use storytelling for deeper impact. So frame product benefits in scenarios, whether it is curry spills after a joyful family lunch or ink marks from your child's school project. Tide brings back the brightness just like new. Highlight nostalgic elements. For 20 years, Tide has been a part of your home, celebrating every festival, every school day, every memory. Leverage sensory language. Make descriptions vivid. Infuse with the freshness of lemon and mint that leaves clothes not just clean but delightfully fresh. Now target pain points clearly. Speak directly to the frustrations. Pain. Clothes getting dull over a time. Message. Tide's advanced whitening formula keeps your whites bright wash after wash because dull is not an option. So here you can see stainless white zinc. So that is, messaging is there, but ChatGPT is suggesting some recommendations to improve this messaging, that is stainless white zinc. So just read and compare with the HTML page. You can also open this HTML page and then you can start this video and then you can compare between the what is given in the HTML page and what is recommended by the ChatGPT. Create a value proposition highlight. Create a detailed section or a phrase that emphasizes what sets the product apart. Why choose Tide? Because it does not just clean, it restores color, softness, and your peace of mind. Then there is some market positioning improvements. So tagline. So this is suggested improvement to the tagline. Tide, trusted by millions, perfected for every Indian home. Call to action. Replace generic buy now with bring freshness home today. Comparison point. Add outperforms daily detergents in a stain removal or brightness. So this is the comparison point with other detergents, and you have to add here to the messaging that outperforms ordinary detergents in stain removal and brightness. Local touch. Include regional elements or testimonials loved by families from Delhi to Chennai. And ChatGPT is also helping us to rewrite the main banner copy or product bullet points based on this direction. So that's great. So this is how you can use ChatGPT for your marketing and sales need. We are going to try out some more well-known products, and we will ask ChatGPT to improve their taglines, their emotional message, emotional triggers, and all those things that are important in sales and marketing field. And you will get an idea, and you can use ChatGPT to improve your product or service. Suppose you are a business owner, you have got some product and service, you can use ChatGPT to improve the presence of your product or service in the market, improve the sales, and add more customers to the family. So on this note, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video with some more product or service. Bye bye.